Alright, so this is a video I want to make for GoPro to send to them to show them the audio issues that I'm having with my GoPro, and I've seen it with a few other people. Most audio issues that I'm seeing are muffled sound. Mine doesn't have muffled sound. Mine has very sensitive mics. Like if you touch this, you can hear that. I mean, you can't hear that with your ear doing that, but you can clearly pick it up with the GoPro mic. Rubbing the grip, rubbing this, and I'm touching it very lightly. I mean, very lightly. This, touching this. Anything you touch when you move your hand, like so, repositioning your grip on the three-way, it captures all that sound right to the GoPro. Even if it's extended, you can still hear the sounds. Just move my hand around, it still captures all this. So just moving your hand, and so you can still hear all those sounds.